Hello again, this is Doug the 2-Minute Gardener. I'm going to talk about succulents for containers. Now, I love using succulents in containers because they're low water, low maintenance, they're very colorful, and they're really easy to grow because with containers, you can make sure they have really good draining soil. And it's really fun when if you pick a pot, you can pick some succulents that really complement the pots, kind of like you see these. Now, all of these succulents that you're going to see in this video, I've also listed in the video description and the comment section, along with links on where to buy most of these succulents. It's important that when you're thinking about succulents for a container that you think about these small little succulents. You're going to see a lot of Echeverias and Sedums and other things like that because you have to avoid those really big agaves. They may look nice and tiny in the nursery, but they will get huge. All right, so first, of course, you want to pick some pots. I really love glazed ceramic pots. I just think they look really cool. And once you get that pot, throw some rocks in the bottom to make sure you get really good drainage out. Use a good planting mix. You can use regular planting mix, or you can also use succulent planting mix as well, and pick succulents that complement each other. So here are the 20 specific succulents that I like, but again, these are just used as a nice starting point. Things like these Echeverias and string of buttons. Put some succulents in that will get a little height, like this Garnet Aeonium, because you want to have things that are both high and squat, and also succulents that cascade over the edge of the pot. So that's kind of what we're looking for with these 20 succulents, things that have a complementary feel to it. Don't be afraid to use some succulents that are going to eventually get big, like 2 feet, 3 feet. You can always take it out of the pot a year from now and put it in the ground. But things like this Sedum are really great because they'll cascade over the edge of the pot itself. So again, something pointy in the middle, tall being 2 feet, and then some nice round ones around the perimeter, and then a few cascading ones like those string of buttons are really nice. The Campfire Crassula are really nice. Burro's tail is another great one that cascades over. So you have this kind of combination of different kinds of succulents. And once again, all these succulents are listed in the comment section and the video description, along with links on where to buy some of these. Well, that's all the time we have for today, but if you are enjoying this video, make sure to hit that like button as well and subscribe to get more of my videos. In the meantime, I love Panda plant. That's such a really fun one. A really, really cool little plant. Oh, Campfire Crassula is definitely one of my favorite ones. Sorry, got distracted by all these cool little succulents that we're looking at here. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug the 2-Minute Gardener saying thanks for watching.